Stop scrolling right now. If you watch the next 5 minutes, you can become 37 times richer in just 1 year. No jokes. What's up, legends? Welcome to Money Mindset Summary. Today you get the complete Atomic Habits by James Clear, the book that billionaires and Virat Kohli used to stay on top. One idea from this video can 10x your bank balance. Let's dive straight in. James Clear says, get 1% better every day, and in 1 year you become 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse, you become almost zero. The same math that turns $100 into millions with investing now works on your daily habits. So how do we build these habits? With the 4 laws. Law 1, make it obvious. Your environment controls your behavior more than motivation ever will. If you want to save money every single day, put a big glass jar on your desk that says $10,000 Freedom Fund and drop $5 in the moment you wake up. You will see it and you will do it. If you want to stop wasting money on junk, delete Amazon, Flipkart, and all shopping apps tonight. Out of sight, out of mind. The best trick in the book is habit stacking. For example, after I make my morning coffee, I transfer $5 to my investment account. Or, after I finish dinner, I write down tomorrow's 3 money moves. Make the cue screaming loud, you can't miss it. Law 2, make it attractive. Next, your brain runs on dopamine, so use it in your favor. This is called temptation bundling. You only allow yourself to do what you love when you are doing what you need. Real examples. Only listen to your favorite playlist or podcast when you are learning about stocks, crypto, or budgeting. Only watch Netflix or YouTube when you're walking on the treadmill or doing side hustle work. Only drink your favorite cold coffee after you finish tracking your expenses. Suddenly your brain starts craving money habits because it feels like a reward party. Law 3, make it easy. This is the law that changed my life the most. Forget motivation, reduce friction to 0. Use the famous 2-minute rule. Scale every new habit down so it takes less than 2 minutes to start. For example, instead of invest $500 every month, your new habit is open the investment app. Instead of read money books, your new habit is read 1 single page. Instead of save daily, your new habit is transfer $1 the second my phone alarm rings. Once you start the 2-minute version, you almost always finish the full version. An extra pro move, set up automatic transfers. $10 or $50 every Monday goes straight to investments before you even see the money. Make good habits the path of least resistance. Law 4, make it satisfying. What gets rewarded gets repeated. Buy a $2 or $3 wall calendar today. Every single day you save, invest, or learn about money, put a big fat red X on it. After 10 or 15 X's, you will feel like a champion and you'll fight to protect that chain. Jerry Seinfeld used this exact trick for over 20 years. The golden rule is never miss twice. Miss 1 day? Fine. Miss 2 days in a row? Your habit is dying. Also give yourself instant rewards. Save $20 today? Treat yourself to your favorite snack. Hit a 30-day chain? Buy something small you wanted. Immediate satisfaction makes the habit stick forever. So here's the truth nobody tells you. Rich people are not more disciplined. They just design their life so good money habits happen automatically. Your mission right now? I am dead serious. Comment in the next 10 seconds. My atomic money habit starting today equals, and fill in the blank. Examples. My atomic money habit equals transfer $5 every morning. Or, my atomic money habit equals read 1 page of a money book daily. Or, my atomic money habit equals open investment app every day. I'm personally replying to every comment in the first 4 hours. If this video gave you fire, smash the like button. Let's hit 30,000 likes together. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Every Sunday, a new summary drops that makes you richer. Small habits today equal millions tomorrow. Start your 1 atomic habit right now. I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you rich. Peace out, legends.